Alright, yeah. Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick. Welcome to the vlog, episode 1. So, I'm just now starting like an actual series of vlogging. This was kind of like my New Year's resolution, sort of. I don't know. I've never really been big on resolutions, but I'm just taking my dog for a walk. And the reason why this is a big day for me is because I got surgery for a, sounds really stupid, but a hernia. That was not fun. So today is kind of like the first day that I'm out of the house walking, which is, it's good. Yeah, I've been stuck in a house for like 5-6 days, so this is nice. It's actually warm out, 50 degrees. So everyone who lives down south, fuck off. So what I'm going to be doing today is basically walking and then taking a picture of Stella, but doing it really special. So what I mean by that is it's called a cinematograph. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically there's one still subject and then the rest of the background is moving. So Stella's gonna be the still subject and the background's gonna be moving. I saw it on like a YouTube video, so I might as well try it. Who knows? But yeah. Alright, so I found a spot. I think it's gonna be pretty good actually. This looks really good. There's that and then like a little bridge, but I think what I'm gonna do is there's some graffiti right there that says Alpha. And I think I'm going to oh wow, every cough is hell. Oh, it hurts so bad. Hernia surgery sucks. I think I'm going to put that in the background and then have the cars be the moving subject. Because, you know, Alpha dog. Stella's an alpha dog, aren't you? You're Alpha. You ready? You're gonna be the subject? Alright. So, Stella. Okay. Sit. Now stay. Okay, so now comes the fun part, figuring out how to do this. You need a tripod. I have a really shitty one because I left my good one at school, but we're gonna see how this works. So yeah. Okay. Alright. There you go. Alright, sit. Okay. Good girl. Stay. Stay. So Stella is not a good subject. She kept moving around, which was, I mean, she's a dog, so I kind of expected that. But I'm definitely going to stick to shooting cars instead of dogs. So I shot it, and we're going to figure out if I did it right, because honestly, I'm not too sure. So, yeah. So the reason why I'm doing sort of this like vlog episode number 1 thing is because I want them to be a little bit more like structured and have an actual story. My other car stuff, like, that's cool, but I also want to start getting into vlogging because I feel like it can be pretty fun. Also, somehow Stella poops like an unbelievable amount. She has to have at least 30 pounds of poop in her body right now. It's unbelievable. Stella, my God.
Ross, oh, hello.
Hello.
How was your walk?
It's good. So, found it. Okay, so, good girl. So sit down, down. There you go. Yeah. Okay, so sit. Still. 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 Okay. Am I washing my shoes? Yeah, you know, I am. But the thing is, shoes are expensive. I don't have that kind of money to just, you know, buy shoes a lot. So I try to take care of mine for the first like half year, and then after that it's downhill from there. Look at that. Look at it. You see that? You see that? You see this? Nah, we're not doing that today. We're not doing that. See, look at how much better that looks. So, yeah, this surgery sucks. Ow. So this is the video that I'm going to be using. You can check it out. He does great stuff for tutorials, for stuff like Photoshop and Premiere and all the Adobe products he generally uses. So that's what I'm going to be using. We're going to see if this works, because honestly I'm not too sure if it will, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. It ended really abruptly because I actually had an allergic reaction. Apparently I found out something new that I'm allergic to, so that's cool. Went to the ER, so I had to kind of, yeah. But I finished the cinematograph that I was working on, and that's going to freeze. There we go. It turned out pretty good actually. So you can see that Stella is the still subject, and you can see the cars. You can see the cars in the background, and you can see some of like the let's come on. Well, some of the brush like moving around, but came out pretty cool. Yeah. So I'd say it's a success for sure. But yeah, so let me know what you guys thought. Yeah, have a good one.